Welcome back, guys. This is the end part of the Ekpang nkukwo. Food is ready to be served. This is pot 1. Look at how it is. And this is pot 2. Look how it is. It's very yummy. If you taste it, you will like it. I bet you to try it one of these days. For more inquiry, you can call REO Kitchen on 081 30 58 34 75. 081 30 58 34 75. Look at it. This is called Ekpang nkukwo. Ekpang nkukwo. Thanks, guys. Until we meet again on my next show. As I told you before, we use water yam, fish, kanda, crayfish, stock cube, pepper. Some people put meat too, or intestine. Palm oil is there. You must have enough palm oil, as you can see. This is how it looks like. Thank you for joining me on this show. I love you guys. I wish to see you again on my next show. Subscribe and like. Thank you.